Hey, my name's Jay and I'm the founder of Maskless Men. Now, I'm guessing you're on this page because you're checking out men's groups and you may be a little bit skeptical, a bit like, oh, what's this men's group about? Is it where a load of guys get naked, hold hands and sing the Kumbaya, or is it that they're going to make me talk about all of my deep secrets and emotions, or is it something that's woo-woo and they're going to make us meditate for 2 hours while we all sing and dance and play crazy instruments? Well, men's groups are very, very simple. It's where men come together, we laugh, we listen, we encourage, we support, and we connect with one another beyond the mask that we all wear in our day-to-day lives. It's a chance for men to really get real, be honest with themselves, and start to open up about the things that are actually going on for them in their lives. Because one thing I often hear that comes out of my men's groups is that you just can't get this talk anywhere else. Many men have lots of friends, but those friends are quite often surface level friends. They'll have banter, they'll have that small talk, but they can't go deep and they can't talk about the things that are really going on. Because when you ask them, how are you? What do they normally say? I'm fine, I'm great. And we know the truth. They're probably not fine. They've probably got shit going on in their life that they'd love to talk to you about, but they're too scared to remove the mask and go all in on it and go deep with it because that might be weird and too much, and that's not the type of relationship we actually have. So men's groups offer you the opportunity to come and sit and be with other men, grow together, support each other, encourage each other so that you can become a better man, a better partner, a better dad if you've got kids, a better son, a better friend, just a better human being overall, because you're willing to step up and go there and be honest and get real with yourself among other men. So just to give you a little bit of a layout about the format, because you can read more about these men's groups on this page, because people come for all different reasons: breakups, deaths, communication in their relationship, nice guy syndrome, like all kinds of things that you find coming up in a men's group. So here's the format. So when you sign up, there's an opportunity to sign up for free below this video. When you sign up, we'll send you a link and it'll be a Zoom meeting link, so you'll join the online conference and we'll open up and it'll be me and a bunch of guys from around the world. And what we'll do is we maybe talk about the weather. I'm British, so I like to talk about the weather. We might talk about a sport or whatever. We'll just have a little bit of a chat together, and then what we'll do is we'll kick into the opening round. And the opening round is called the check-in round, and all it really simply is we'll ask you your name, your age, your relationship status, maybe your sexuality, and why you're here. So at any point, you don't even have to answer any of these questions. You can just say pass, or you could just say your name, and that's enough for you. You're done. But to give you an example, I will say, hey, I'm Jay Williams, I'm 34, I'm here in the UK, my sexuality is straight, I'm engaged to be married but had to cancel because of COVID, and the reason I'm here is because I want to be around other men, I want to connect with other men, I love to get real and go deep, and yeah, that's the reason I'm here. And then we'll go around the room and everyone will say their piece and have a go, so we can get to see who's in the group, get to know each other a little bit better. And then I'll simply open it up to the group and say something like, okay guys, has anybody got anything they want to get off their chest, anything they need support, encouragement, or a different perspective on? And this is not an advice. This is an advice-free zone. It isn't where guys are going, you should do this and you should do that and you're not doing this, because I think we all get a lot of that in our lives already. If a guy does need support, you can simply ask, hey guys, anyone else been through this in their lives? And as a group, we can support each other and we can all lift each other up and grow together, because I'm a big believer that a rising tide lifts all ships. So that's the group. Really, there's no downside to this. There's only positives that I can see, because if you're somebody who is craving that male connection, you don't have this in your life, I promise you this will be like nothing else you've ever experienced if you've never been to a men's group before. So as I said, do you want to be a better dad? Do you want to be a better partner? Do you want to feel better about yourself in your life? Then go ahead, take action. Sign up via the link below. It's free. You've got nothing to lose. And if you don't like it, you rock up and halfway through you go, no, this isn't for me. You can leave. That's absolutely fine. But if you love it, which I'm pretty confident you will, then there'll be an opportunity for you to maybe come and join us on our regularly weekly men's groups that we actually run, because this is just a try before you buy. So I hope that's answered some of your questions and maybe some of your concerns and your fears. There's more information on this page. Take a read of it. Make sure you book in, and yeah, I look forward to seeing you on the next men's group. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.